Hi, my name is Scott. Welcome to Wolves Are Forever 38 at youtube.com. Well, recently I just purchased a Hessarie Cool Air Anywhere, and this is what the box looks like. I've got one that's 5300 CPM, 1600 square feet, 14.6 gallons, and a 3-speed 1/3 motor. I'll give you a better shot with this looks like on the other side. Oh, that's the Spanish version. Apologies. There we go. It has XEL 50 cooling pads for maximum cooling and longer life. Has a float valve with a garden hose adapter. Manual water fill door. And a 4-way adjustable oscillator inside of it. Easy to read reader. The heavy wheels. The fan. And a GFCI plug for outdoor safety. Well, we're actually getting it for the house. Show you what it looks like on top. Looks like it's got little 2-cup containers. This little tray for your cell phones. Doesn't have the USB port for your cell phones, but there's the on switch. Fans. Oh, that's for the oscillator. That's for the fan blades. And that's the actual on switch. The wheels are in the bottom. We go there. Alright, thank you. Well, this is where the parts, here's the parts. Come with 4 casters, a little container that contains, let's go here, the screws, and for the outside washing machine, or not washing machine, I do apologize for that one, hose, the water hose that mounts right there. It's a little bitty white line that screws on top of it. And this right here is the drain, which they never talk about that part, because that's the drain. So when you fill this up, you fill 14.6 gallons of water in here, and you drain it every 2 to 3 days. And if you can add scented oils to this to put out a nice smell through the house. And if you're going to hook it up to the water hose, you got to at a slow, a little bit more than a drip, but not so much as a gush. That's what they recommend. Now this doesn't have to be primed. This is in this model that has a priming on it, where you will see other Hessaries that has to be primed for 5, 6, 10 minutes. This one here does not have a priming. So, just to give you a heads up. Now, these go up here, and 2 of them have locking, so that should be easy. Roll it around. It does feel a little bit heavy on the plastic. It's supposed to be scar proof, and then all you do is lock it. Now granted, we are in the Midwest and not in the Southeast or Southwest where the dry temperature out, so we already have enough humidity throughout the house, but I'm duplicating this as well as a very large fan with a slow drip of moisture, because cool air throughout the house will cool this house off a little quicker. We only have a little 6,000 BTU or 8,000 BTU downstairs in the office. There's not a lot of air conditioning in this house. And see, that's it. That's all this house has for downstairs. So, plus we can move this around. I can use it outside, have cool air blow, fill it up, etc. And it's a little easier. Now, right here, see where the claps are. You have, right now it's on the side. You have screws at either top of this, here, and here. You unscrew it, you pop the panels out, and you pull the medium out. And then you can wash it with light soap water, as well as rinse them off. Not high pressure, please don't. Beside that, and they have one, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And out here in the front is your fill. There's your fill. That's your water gauge. That shows you how much water is in there. And then you have your GPI cord for 115 or 110. It does have a reset. So should have that, no problems. Be like any air conditioner unit, it has that as well. So that's what this is. So as soon as I'm done putting it together, I'll give you a small demonstration before I have to finish up the painting. We just mudded in the sheetrock. So, cool. Thanks.